Alright, this is my video for milestone 1 for the audio engine. I'm going to open up the code here, go through a few features really quickly. So here's my main game thread, which just launches the audio thread. And unload content, I'll destroy a bunch of managers that I use, I'll send a quit command, I'll join the thread, pretty much clean everything up. Audio thread just loops and processes any commands on the circular queue. Sound object, whenever a new sound object is created by the manager, it automatically sends the command to create a corresponding A sound object, which handles all of the audio stuff on the audio thread side. So I can, whenever, based on the sound ID, I can add specific WAV files to a playlist. I can add time events. Here's where I update all of the time events. I can print the time playing and then all the various commands. I created a bunch of different commands that can all be passed into the circular queue to perform a different action, create sound, load wave, quit, pan, volume, pitch, play, stop, all of those. Here in my input test is where I pretty much do demo 1 by pressing key 1 or demo 2 by pressing key 2, and I'll load the files and then load up all the timer event commands at once to be played at a certain interval. And the same for the Seinfeld. So now I'll go ahead and just start the demo. I'll press 1 to start demo 1. Hopefully you can hear all the different sound effects happening. So that was the smooth panning. That was the volume increase and decrease smoothly. And then here are the print statements for the amount of time that song A has been playing for. Song A stopped. Song B is still playing. Song B stopped, and now it'll do the several sounds instancing in a couple seconds. So that was one after the other. So that's done. Now I can play demo 2 by pressing 2. It prints the buffer's names as they're being attached in the voice callback, or being triggered from the voice callback, and repeated panning is happening as well. And this is still spinning this entire time. Alright, so Seinfeld stopped playing. Now I can press Q to exit the audio thread cleanly, and then escape to close out the demo, and you can see that memory tracking has passed, so there's no memory leaks in here. So yeah, this was definitely a more challenging assignment just to get everything working correctly. Some of the issues that I had, I wasn't able to get the several sounds instancing completely perfect. I wasn't able to store the pointer and call a specific A sound pointer object to play that specific one, but I was still able to overlap them here, setting the volume. Another challenge that I had a single timer event system that was working in the audio thread side, but I wasn't able to trigger these commands from the game thread side, so in the future I definitely want to implement a similar system to be able to do those on the game side, but I was still able to cycle them. But yeah, I'm looking forward to improving this, and hopefully I got all the features working and they can be heard. Thank you.